Would you like to be one of those thousands and thousands of people who are creating amazing online businesses and more income than they ever generated in a traditional business? It's happening now. The online business industry is exploding. Everything from coaching and products to affiliate marketing, it is available to everyone, and it's available to you. You don't have to be tech savvy. Are you taking advantage of this? I'm Landria Onkka. I was an investment banker for over 20 some years. 7 years ago, I said no more. I was getting heart palpitations and I saw an ad just like this, but I knew that online businesses were getting bigger and better, and that people like you and I, solopreneurs, could learn how to launch an online business, and it was going to create that freedom that I desired, doing something that I loved that made sense, and controlling my income instead of chasing clients. I learned step by step from the system I'm going to introduce to you. These are free videos that you can get information. I learned from mentors who showed me how to launch these businesses, and I am now more successful than I ever was as an investment banker. In fact, I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book. It was turned into a television movie. I have 3 successful online businesses, far exceeding what I ever did as an investment banker. But best of all, I love my life. I love what I do, what I contribute, and I have freedom, the kind of freedom I never had in my investment banking position. Would you love to live a life like that? It's going to take work, but you can learn step by step how to create an online business, no matter what your background. Thousands and thousands of people are doing it. I'm seeing lives change. 87% or more of the people out there despise their jobs. I was one of them. Something is seriously wrong with that. If you're one of those people and you just don't know where to go from here, online businesses are flourishing despite what's happening with our economy and our world out there. It's getting bigger and you could do amazing things, but you need that training. You can click for your free video series somewhere here or below and check it out for yourself. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. Is it time for us to step into that new world where all possibilities lie? And it takes a village. Mentors, trainers, people who have led the way. I'll be there. If you want to check it out, come on over. It's real. I've been doing it for 7 years, and I'm here to tell you that if you want to change your life, it is possible. Click somewhere here on the screen or below. I'll see you on the other side of amazing possibilities. Thanks for listening, and take care out there.